So, I got my hands on the Samsung S85F, and let me tell you, this thing has more brain power than I do. No, seriously, it's powered by 20 AI neural networks. That's 19 more than the ones in my head that remind me to do laundry. This TV doesn't just show you 4K, it upgrades whatever you're watching to look like 4K. I played an old VHS tape of my 5th birthday party, and suddenly it looked like a Marvel origin story. For current pricing and availability, check the link in the description before the TV gets smarter than all of us. And the sound? Oh boy. With 3 front channels, 2 up-firing speakers, and a subwoofer that rumbles harder than my stomach at midnight, this thing basically turns your living room into a cinema. I watched a cooking show and I swear I could hear the butter sizzling like it was in my own kitchen. My neighbor came over and asked if I bought a restaurant. Nope, just the S85F flexing. But Samsung didn't stop there. This TV teams up with soundbars like some kind of Marvel crossover event. It's like Avengers Endgame, but with speakers. The TV and soundbar talk to each other to give you sounds so immersive, you'll start checking behind your couch when someone whispers. Gaming? Yeah, this TV basically wants you to win. The dynamic 3D sound is so precise that when I played Call of Duty, I could hear footsteps sneaking up behind me. I panicked, dropped the controller, and still somehow survived. Thanks, Samsung. And let's not forget, this TV actually analyzes your room with its built-in mic to optimize the sound. It's basically throwing shade at me like, wow, small apartment, huh? Don't worry, I'll fix the acoustics. The picture quality? Validated by Pantone. That means skin tones look realistic. No more actors looking like they just walked out of a tanning salon in the middle of a snowstorm. Everything looks crisp, vibrant, and real. Oh, and the design? It's so sleek and wavy, it makes my furniture look like it came from the bargain bin at IKEA. This TV doesn't just sit in your living room, it judges your living room. So yeah, the Samsung S85F isn't just a TV, it's a life upgrade. Just be prepared, it might actually be smarter than you.